Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. So today we've got something a little bit different, and that is I'm doing the headlights on my little Daihatsu cuore. They've all gone cloudy and one's water leaking and looks pretty bad. So this will be just a quick little video on how to replace the headlights on the Daihatsu. So this one isn't too bad, but come across to here. This one's gone all yellow and it's got water in it, and I don't know where the water's coming in, got no idea. But I've got some other headlights and that will make a huge difference. So these are the headlights, and hard to tell, but they're actually pretty clean. And what I've done, I've got some Nava Arctic 50s. So I'll put those in so we get a nice white light and I'll be able to see a bit better at night. But okay, let's get into it. Okay, so we got the headlights on. Had a couple of little dramas with an electrical connection, but we're all up and running now. So put the bar cover back on and we're done.